was it?
You notice the stone on my back wheel?
Oh yeah.
I tried stopping at the top of that climb and I just couldn't.
What?
I tried stopping at the top of that climb and I just couldn't. You know what I mean? I couldn't get it flat enough for long enough.
I'm not funny up there, but then give it time to go down there, it's fucking dying.
Yeah. Do you find your front wheel trying to pop off the floor on that? Turn you what's up back in. No way you can flip it off, is it?
Bump off central, mate, it's ridiculous.
You enjoying it?
Yeah,
I think it's mint, but I'm going to kill myself.
it's fucking hard, isn't it? It's definitely got its fucking nerve ride, it's fucking running.
Yeah. It's on